I'm about to go do the only thing I'm really good at on this app. My chickens. Gonna go see if we got some eggs out here.
Mr. Rooster?
Not let Survivor out. Darn chicken.
You just watch the gate.
Alright, I'll watch the gate.
Got two straps on it. This one right here is about broke.
Yeah. Yeah, I put that extra one on there.
Hey, Red, what you doing? We ain't got no eggs. Oh, we got three.
Yeah, I already took one this morning and put it in the incubator. Because I needed an extra one. Hey, Survivor.
I don't see no more somewhere.
Yeah.
Hey, Survivor, what you doing?
We only got 4 chickens laying right now. Hello, boys.
I can't.
Yeah. I got them. Back up, Jack. Hi, guys. What are y'all doing? Oh, what are y'all doing? Gonna try to challenge me again? Oh, you think so, do you? Here, these are the twin raptors. Yep. They're gonna ambush you from both sides.
We're trying to give them away.
Terry said keep him. When he gets out, he'll kill him and put them in the freezer so he can eat them. You see that? He just attacked them both. Me nice. Alright, that's it. Goodbye, guys. Nah, you better not. I'm telling you. Better not.
Yeah, I'm on my feet.
You think you're big and bad, don't you? You got the other one coming up now. Jumpy! See, y'all ain't so bad if there was a bigger person out here, huh? Yeah.